Today, I want to share a simple morning trick to improve blood circulation to your legs and feet, helping you feel better. Many people suffer from poor circulation, leading to swelling, difficulty walking, and ankle tightness. Common causes include a poor diet, excessive refined sugars, diabetes, and excess belly weight. But there's a simple morning trick that can bring immediate changes. Start your day with beetroot juice. It's the best juice to boost nitric oxide, which helps vasodilation and improves circulation throughout your body. As your arteries open up, more blood can flow to your legs and feet, reducing swelling and fluid buildup. Add fresh lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, to support blood vessel health and collagen production. Plus, honey's antioxidants help reduce inflammation and promote nitric oxide production, further enhancing your circulation. To make this elixir, combine 1 cup of beetroot juice, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and ½ to 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Blend until smooth and let it sit for a few minutes. Drink it every morning before breakfast. The nitrates and nitric oxide will promote vasodilation and boost circulation. To further improve circulation, try moving your feet up and down, side to side, or in circles to contract leg muscles. This helps squeeze fluid back to the heart, reducing fluid buildup and improving circulation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a health boost.